Today guys, we're going to make a holographic material, so let's get into it. We're going to start by, once again, deleting this cube like we always do, and we're going to add in an icosphere. And then we want to go to tab, and we want to subdivide, and we want to make it 1 on the smoothness. Then we want to subdivide it by 3. Now we're in the shading, go over, and I'm going to give myself a studio light cap, and I'm going to turn on ambient occlusion, bloom, screen space refraction on. We're going to go click on this ball, or icosphere, sorry. We're going to go new, and what we're going to do is we're going to delete this principal. Now we're going to go and add in a mix shader. And now we're going to add in a emission shader, like so, and we're also going to add in a transparent node. So then you want to connect this into the bottom and connect this into the top shader, and let's go add in a wireframe node. So wireframe, and get the factor into the factor. As you see, the emission is in this kind of icosphere, not the triangle wire mesh. So what we need to do is we need to switch this around. And as you can see, it's all in the wire frame now. And we're going to change the size to be 0.005. As you can see, that's just narrowed down these wires. So what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this mix shader, move it right up here, and connect the shader to the surface. And then we're going to get both these and duplicate these and move them up and just move them back a bit. And then we're going to go the transmission, the emission. Like so. And then we're going to go add in a color ramp, and we're going to connect it to the factor. And then we're going to add in a solenoid and connect the color to the factor. And then we're going to go Control T. I'm going to use the object to the vector. When you move this, you can see it adds it in not amazingly well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go hit this and go flip color ramp. And then we need to bring the scale all the way around about 60. So now what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect this. So what we want to do is we want to duplicate this, put this here, and connect the shader, and then connect the shader to the surface. And of course it's not really doing what we want, so we need to go add in a noise and we want to connect the color to the factor. And let's get the vector and connect it to the vector. And now you can add in a color ramp. I'm going to drop this color ramp here, like so. So let's start playing around with it. So now can't see through it, so we need to change these blend mode to alpha clip, and now you've got this. And now when we play around with it, we have more of our kind of, it's looking quite wireframey, but we can play around with it and give us a hologram kind of look. And let's change the color. Every hologram is always blue in all the films. But that was the wrong area. I go and get a nice blue here, and let's bring that scale down a bit. Once you've got your color, get the hex code, go Control C, and then go back down to your emissions and paste it in there. Then give your strength 2. And probably change your strength on this one as well. And there we go guys, that was us making the hologram. It's quick and easy. Hope you guys found this useful. If so, drop a like. If you didn't, drop a dislike. Thanks.